Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Yamafern J. Cernol. I am 28 years old. I am single and I am a college graduate of Business Administration, major in Operations Management. I also have my 3 years experience of being a barangay treasurer in my town here in Lanao del Norte, Mindanao, Philippines. But since the day starting pandemic, we encountered lockdown in our barangay, so I decided myself to apply as a private online teacher tutorial in 512 to continue providing my family financially up to this day. I have my local experience as a helper here in the Philippines. I serve two adults and one child, 5 years old. My duties and responsibilities are assisting and taking care of the child, preparing and cooking of meals, do the dishes, washing of clothes, ironing, gardening, marketing, and also tutoring the child. To my future employer, please do hire me because I'm motivated and a happy person, loyal, honest, hardworking, responsible, and of course, professional in working. I promise I will do my duties and responsibilities appropriately and properly with love and dedication. I will serve and treat your family as my own family. I am looking forward to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much.